Okay guys, so now I show you some techniques how I do color packing with Cheyenne rotaries. Skin tension is also really important when you pack colors because, as I told you on doing lines, it's important that the skin is really stretched and it's not jumping. As long as the skin can't jump, you can pack the color. When I pack colors, it's almost like painting a wall. So this means you would never go like too thick like one time, because then you have like color drops all over the wall. I always go in two directions. It's like working like a pattern. So I go from the left side, then I let it bleed out, dry a bit, and then I do another pass from the right side. So it's like a pattern. And the color is more packed because the pigments are more solid in the skin. For me, it's really important to work with the safety cartridges because of their medical plastic. They're really easy to wash out. Which means like if I'm using 20 different colors, I can easily switch from blue into yellow just by washing it in a water cup. It's always the same quality. I never have problems with any needles. And especially when I'm doing quite big pieces, I can work 8 to 10 hours on one piece, one day, with one needle. And the needle is from start to finish the same quality. Always. When I'm color packing, I always use a 7 Magnum and a 13 soft edge. The 7 Magnum is more for like small, packed, massive areas, and the 13 soft edge is more if you go with like bigger areas and you want to have a flow that the color fades out. I think there are some colors which are more difficult to tattoo, like for example purple or green tones. But I think with this technique, every color is almost like the same. I really love to work with Cheyenne machines. They're perfect for color packing, and it's really easy to work big areas with a super solid saturation.